Once upon a time, in a faraway forest, lived a little scout trooper named Sam. Sam was a cheerful, helpful, and curious scout trooper who loved exploring the forest and learning about its many secrets. One sunny day, Sam decided to go on a big adventure. He packed his backpack with a compass, a map, and a snack, and set off on his journey. As he walked through the forest, Sam noticed a strange, glowing flower. He had never seen anything like it before. Curious, he approached the flower and stretched out his hand to touch it. Suddenly, the flower began to glow even brighter. Sam jumped back, startled. The flower spoke, "Hello, Scout Trooper Sam. I'm the magical glowing flower. I have a quest for you." "A quest?" asked Sam, his eyes wide with excitement. "What is it?" "I've lost my magical seeds," the flower explained. "They were stolen by the mean Forest Bandit, and I need you to help me get them back." Together, Sam and the magical glowing flower set off to find the Forest Bandit. They followed the bandit's trail deep into the forest, over hills and through streams. Finally, they came to a dark, foreboding cave. The Forest Bandit was inside, holding the seeds in his grubby hands. "Give me back the seeds, or I'll never tell you the secret of the forest," the bandit sneered. "We won't let you get away with this," Sam said bravely. "Give us back the seeds, or we'll tell the forest animals about your wicked deeds." The bandit looked surprised and afraid. He dropped the seeds and ran away, disappearing into the darkness of the cave. Sam and the magical glowing flower cheered and danced with joy. The seeds were safely back, and the forest was once again filled with magic. "Thank you, Scout Trooper Sam," the flower said gratefully. "You are a true friend and a true hero." Sam smiled, feeling proud. He knew that he had done the right thing, and he couldn't wait to continue his adventures in the forest. From that day on, Sam was known as the bravest and kindest scout trooper in the land. And every night, as he drifted off to sleep, he dreamt of the many adventures that still lay ahead. The end.